In this video, we are going to discuss about how to fill the entire column with the formula. For this, I'm going to insert a column after column F, and let's call it as last name, and the formula is going to be left of the name, and it should be until the comma. So I'm gonna say find comma in the text, and I don't want that comma, so I'm gonna say -1 and close the bracket. So I have the last name appearing for this first passenger. If I want to fill the entire column with this formula, I have three ways of doing it. One, I can do this double clicking on the corner. It will update to the entire rows until the last row. I'm just scrolling down so that you could see it's updated until the last row. This is one method that we could do. And let's talk about the other method. The other method of doing it, we could go to the next column, click on Shift Control down arrow, then release the Control key, keep pressing the Shift key and then the left arrow, and now the column is selected where the formula is already written. And let's press Shift and Tab. If you notice, the selection has moved to the column G, and again let's keep the Shift key pressed and use the left key. Now the left key selects in the entire column. Now let's press Ctrl D and the formula is copied over to the last. This might be useful for people who have the older version of Excel, where if there are blanks in the previous column, it may not run through the last row. For those people who have the older version of Excel, this methodology will help. And the other way of doing it is just go to the last row, from there Control Shift up arrow and then press Ctrl D. So these are the three ways by which we could copy a formula until the last row or to the entire column.